Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jerome Keys Music. So today I want to do a continuation of my previous video I did on a do and sol progression. You know, I said whenever you hear this song, once you hear it, the progression goes do, sol, do. And I've already taught you guys the lead line on my previous video. So I'm doing the continuation of the bass line today. So you know the bass line I was playing. So it goes like this. Just watch and learn. Let me just do the bass line so you understand better. So it goes like this. It goes like this. So what I'm playing is very simple. So the normal key I'm playing on now, that is the normal key of the song I'm playing now, is on E. But I transpose it to F sharp, so I'm on F sharp. But if you want to rehearse it, to set the key on E, so you understand better. So it goes like this. I'm doing different bass lines, so I'm going to teach you all the bass line I did on the song. So this is the first one. So the first one is do 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 sol la do ti sol la do do sol la sol. You understand? Let me take it slowly. Do do sol la sol ti sol la do do sol la sol ti sol la do do sol la sol. Si, sol, la, do. Yeah, just go like this. You can play do, do, sol, la, sol. You can play do, do, sol, sol, sol. Do, do, sol, sol, sol. Si, sol, sol, la, do. You understand? Do, do, sol, sol, sol. Si, sol, la, do, do, sol, sol. Do, do, so, so, so. Si, so, la, do, do, so, so, so. Do, do, so, so, so. Si, so, la, do, do. Guys. Do, do, so, la, so. Understand? So you have gotten this one. So the other one is. So you just be changing them. Want to play. Guys, do so so, sorry so so, so do so so, sorry so so. For those of you that don't know the lead lines I played on this one, yes, as it there. So you just be so. Use another one now. another one now. This one is very simple for beginners. You can just use this one. So this one now is do la re so do la re so. So you can just be changing all the bass line. Just be changing all the bass line. This one do la re so do la re so do so re so. This is another one now. This one is also easy for beginners. It's also easy. Do so re so do so. So. You can see everything is going perfectly. And I've already taught you guys so many on my. In case you have not watched the previous video, go and watch it to get the lead line. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and make sure you comment also. If we didn't get it right, comment and tell me the one you want. Understand? Thanks, and God bless you all, guys.